All right, Badlands Rebuilds, we're gonna go out here. We're gonna go out here about 5 miles out of town. We're gonna go pick us up a 1956 Chevy 210. I'm dressed up in all this gear. I got gloves. It's got a lot of mice in it, a lot of mice smell. So we're gonna get all the gear on. We're gonna travel out there. I think I'm gonna pull it out of the building or get it out a little bit. Try to get all the mouse crap and the smell and the seat, maybe the back seats out, clean the glove box, vacuum it and clean it out there in the field. It's sitting in a machine shed. Pretty cool little car. The owner really doesn't want to sell it, so hey, I said, why don't you let me try getting it back to at least drivable condition and cleaned up. I said, go for it, do what you can do. So we're gonna head out there on a little journey, pick up buddy's trailer. Hopefully we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it's not locked up. I've already did a video on it sitting in there. If you want to look back at that video, it's a 56. We'll know more about it today because we're gonna drag her back to the house and hope there's not a million mice in it. I know that I don't know if I've seen a vehicle with this much mouse stuff in it. Doo-doo, mouse smell. Trunk is full of mouse stuff. So I got my ventilator, I got gloves, I got a mask, broom, shop vac, little air compressor, try blowing it out. Yeah, well, let's see how it goes. All right, Rebuilds, we're out here in this Quonset. Check this 56 out. It's got a little message for me on the window, Badlands Rebuilds. So click subscribe, like, whatever. We're gonna pull this bad boy out of this Quonset. The only thing the mice like better more than a cornfield is an old 56 car, because this baby is full of mouse doo-doo, and we are gonna try to drag her out, get her out to about where that trailer's at, and maybe try to get some of this mouse crud out of here before we trailer her into town. But she's full. She's got a full house of mouse crud like you ain't never seen in a car before. Maybe it ain't mice, maybe it's, but yeah, she is nasty. I'll get in the trunk and show you what that looks like once we pull her out. It's got like, I don't know what the heck that stuff is, but all right, we'll be back in a minute. Tires aired up. We'll get them aired up and we'll see if we can drag it. All right, I just checked her out. You can't see down here, but she does turn over by hand, so that's a good sign. So we'll get back out here tomorrow. I don't know if we'll try to throw a few in and drive it out here or what, but there's so many mice inside that, so it scares me. All right, we're looking at this car a little bit more. We're sitting out here in a cornfield out in western South Dakota, and that corn brings a lot of mice. And I don't like mice, they smell. So we're looking at this here ride. Got somebody that subscribes to my channel, Badlands Rebuilds. Said, hey, let's work on this car. But look at this. Them there mice did the number on this baby. Headliner, yee. I really don't want to get in there too bad and see what kind of critters are in there, but the floor don't look bad. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm out in the middle of their big building. I'm gonna put on my paint mask and I'm gonna clean this out. Look at the mice crap in the back of this trunk. Is that just crazy, unbelievable? Looks like got some hubcaps in there though. Got a couple good wheels and tires and new skins for this baby. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start shoveling this out, throw it in that there cornfield, and then we're gonna get her up on that there trailer. Think there's any critters left in here? I hope they don't get me. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna put a mask on. This sucker reeks. I went around and I beat on all the fenders, give him the old mouseroo kicking. Make sure everything falls out. I don't want to bring any rats back to my house. I don't like rats. But it looks to me like this little Quonset. I don't know if they had bobcats or cats, but there's a lot of kitty doo-doo around here, so there should be no mice in here. Them cats better do their job. So let's get this baby on the ride. We got 3 tires aired up. We got 1 tire that's holding there, but it's fighting us. It's fighting us. And I don't understand this shifting mechanism in there. I think it's probably a 3-speed. The column's not working, but it rolled pretty good. So anybody want to come help, click subscribe. I'll show you where I'm at. You can come help me. Thanks. Bye. All right, rebuilders, this is where you earn your money. Look at this back seat. I pulled it out. That's a lot of mouse doo-doo. She's got mice. She's had some mice. Look in the back. I got my mask on, so you probably can't hear me. I'm masked up. I'm gonna try pulling these seats out. Get everything out of here before we take it to the place. Look at that crud in there. Yucky. This seat actually don't look too bad, but it's got 100 pounds of mouse stuff in it. All right, we got her on the trailer. She's quite the interesting load. We got her hooked to the back, come along on the front. We only got about 5 miles of gravel. We'll keep a good eye on her. It's not in gear because I can't get the doors open. I wonder if I can get the door open over here. This one looks long. Yeah, so we'll take her slow. We got a chain back there. We got to come along up front. It's not in gear, but this tire over here, this will help us out because by the time we get this mess cleaned up, this tire will be flat. So once it's flat, it ain't gonna go anywhere. So 1956, 210, in the cornfield, children of the corn. Let's look at how much stuff we took out of this puppy. I think you're gonna be amazed that this is mice heaven. Mice heaven, Badlands Rebuilds. I shot back about that much out of that shot back, full of mouse shit. This is all the fluff I have. I mean, I don't know what it looks like. Just to give you an idea, I'll put a broom on there. I don't know what this broom is, 3-4 foot broom. That's how much debris was in that car. But the funny part is there was only one dead mouse, so now I just got to clean this up a little bit and dispose of all this. I got my mask on. It stinks really bad. I got my my paint mask on to try to get a little of the debris out of here, but I'm gonna clean this up a little bit for these guys. We'll keep you posted. Next video, I'm probably today, I'm wore out, man. I got out here at 9, it's like noon. I'm probably gonna get it back into town, and I might just hose the outside of it off and the inside while it's on the trailer, clean it up real good. I feel like I did a great job getting all the mouse crap out, the back seats out. I got all the fluff out of that. Trunks cleared out. It was a lot of work. I don't know. It's a lot of work, but somebody's got to do it. This car can't be sitting. It's too cool of a car, so thanks. All right, we're sitting in the lot. We're going to give her first wash. I'm going to hose her down a little bit and see how she turns out. Flush the interior and everything out while it's sitting out here in the gravel. We're going to give her a quick one-over wash. And we'll see how it looks when we're done. All right, well, I got her cleaned up pretty good. First coat of cleaning. Trying to get the smell out of it. Trunk is really, really good shape. Very much no rust anywhere. Chevy did a good thing when they did these. They put holes in the bottom so it drains out. So basically, this trunk is in excellent shape. And that's good. Back seat, took it out, cleaned all the mouse doo-doo out. Back seat's not bad. Do a little bit more cleaning, a little more spraying back there. Front seat, not good. Pretty clean though. Dash is nice. Trying to get the smell out of it. I put vinegar and Dawn dish soap and sprayed some cleaners in here. Says it has 79,489. Probably actual miles on it. Another vehicle I have with no radio. It's like the third one. My 68 has no radio. My 59 has no radio. But there we are. Yeah, she's cleaning up pretty good. Put a different tire on here so she holds a little bit of air. Hosed everything out. This is my first day on this project. It's March 2nd. March 2nd, 24. Day 1. Day 1's basically just for cleaning. So I'm cleaning it out, trying to get the car clean. And maybe tomorrow, day 2, will be run. See if we can get the start fire just off a boat tank. See what it does. This side's actually pretty darn good shape. You look down this side, a little bit of rust by that rear quarter, but not bad. come over here. Grandma ran into something. She ran into a reindeer. Knubled this up a little bit. This side's a little knubled up. Both side glasses are cracked. Pretty good cracks on them. Front window is in good shape. Oh, that side vent window is cracked. I didn't even notice that. Here's pretty cool, these back windows. Hey, look at this, they roll down. That's pretty cool. Get rid of that headliner. No, we need no headliner. Headliner's for sissies. Oh, okay. They roll up and down. That's pretty dang nifty, and they both work. So basically just both side glass and that vent glass. That vent glass I won't worry about. The both side glass need to be replaced. Probably the tank, just looking it over. All new tires, all new brakes, all new oil, all new transmission grease, all new rear end grease. Just a few things off the top of my head. Brake pedal is stuck hard as a rock. That'll be the next. Well, we'll get it running first, and then we'll worry about the brakes the last thing, because I'm working on this for a guy, and he can maybe take it over to the local place and put all new brakes in it if it runs out, you know what I mean? If it doesn't run out, I won't worry about that emblem. A little crack in it. It needs to be super glued. Good first day. First day, got her home. She's looking good. Click, like, comment, share, love. Bye. Look at this cool old jack that's in this car. Is that original 56 jack? Doesn't look very safe. They got it wired right here, but it cranks up like a corkscrew, and then it folds up. That's pretty cool. It's probably the original jack for a 56. Somehow you jack them beast up, but I don't know if I'd want to try that out in the open. Looks a little dangerous. It says, looks like it says Walker or something. Walker jack. I don't know. Can you read that? Everybody ever use one of them? Look at that. How the heck is that? That is one interesting mechanism. So, yeah, I clicked on that. See if you comment on that. You ever seen one of them? Folds down like this. Right in the car. That's pretty nifty.